welcome back to another video by Gurgaon Yards. This is Priyanka and today we are here to cover a project which is a great deal for people who wants to live in low density, who wants to have a luxury life and also want a great location. Well, this is the project. I am here and showcasing you the model, a great model for you to know what kind of project this is going to be, what kind of land this is and what is the planning. So let me just explain you a little bit about it. This is a project by Adani Realty and Brahma Group. They have come up together to build this amazing project called Samsara Avasa. Well, you must have seen or known their other project which comes under the 75 acres of land. So दो projects ये already deliver कर चुके हैं. There is a third project that is coming up now, which is Samsara Avasa, with a great deal, right price, right location, and also so much that they have to offer. पहले लोकेशन के बारे में बात करते हैं. This is spread across in sector 60 and 63 of Gurgaon. यहाँ पे अगर हम बात करें, everything is within the vicinity. सबसे पहले रोड्स की बात करते हैं. So only 2 minutes away we have Golf Course Road extension. सोना रोड यहाँ से सिर्फ 10 मिनट की दूरी पर है. And you will have the entrance of this beautiful project through a 60-meter wide road. That same road will take you to Huda City Center, which will take 10 to 15 minutes from here. अगर हम एयरपोर्ट की बात करें, then IGI airport is also only 40 minutes from here. So location बहुत ही अच्छी है. If you are looking for a good kind of commute, then this is a good location. Low density भी है और साथ में these are luxurious project. Low density means they have only 84 units. Now you know the kind of low density I am talking about over here. Tilt plus 4 का concept है और भी काफ़ी concepts हैं, but coming back to the location. I've already told you the roads, the major connecting roads. अब बात करते हैं schools की, hospitals की, hotels की over here, and even shopping complex. So schools like DPS and Xavier's, Heritage जैसे जाने माने big schools, great for your kids, are here in the vicinity. Well, if we talk about the hospitals, then we have Medanta, Fortis जैसे जाने माने hospitals in the vicinity. And if we are thinking of hotels over here, then hotels भी बहुत ही amazing hotels हैं. यहाँ पर आ जाते हैं हमारे Hilton and Radisson जैसे जाने माने hotels भी. So location is done. It is absolutely wonderful. Commute करने में आपको बिल्कुल भी problem नहीं आएगी. Now let's come back to this 75 acres of township और इस project के बारे में, which is called Samsara Avasa. मैंने आपको बताया है between this video that ये Tilt plus 4 के concept पे आ रहा है, जहाँ पे आपको मिलेगा European style architecture. As you can see already कि यहाँ पे कितने low density है. Of course, this is a great concept of 4 plus tilt, but उसके साथ ही साथ आपको यहाँ पे मिलता है एक club house, and in that club house that is of more than 1 lakh square feet का club house spread over across 2 acres. It's a wonderful deal. Somebody who wants to live with a low density environment जहाँ पे बहुत ज़्यादा greenery हो, commute बहुत easy हो, आप luxury में भी जी पाएँ, this is the right project for you because already समसारा के अंदर और भी कई projects आ चुके हैं और उनकी delivery हो चुकी है and they've been extremely successful. So now you already know what kind of success this project is going to have. So also when it comes to the parking, every single apartment gets 2 car park जो कि आपको tilt में मिल जाएगी. उसके साथ ही साथ अगर हम terrace की बात करें, so they are coming up with a very unique concept which is called sharing terrace as well as private terrace. So आपको वो दोनों का concept मिल रहा है जो कि आपको किसी भी project में शायद अभी तक देखने को नहीं मिला होगा. This is the first project which is coming up with such a unique concept of terrace. उसके साथ ही साथ if we talk about other things like club house, मैंने आपको बताया था club house का size मैं आपको बता चुकी हूँ. So already you can imagine the kind of amenities they are going to deliver. Everything you name it, be it swimming pool, be it indoor or in-house restaurant, sauna, spa, you just name it. Everything is going to be there. यहाँ तक कि indoor games and outdoor games भी. And apart from that, this is a project that does not come every day or you do not see every day these kind of projects that has everything. The best part about this project that comes down to the costing or the pricing that you will have to focus on is that आपको ऐसी लोकेशन पे 4 करोड़ से नीचे के घर शायद ही मिले, but this goes from 3.7 crores onwards. So of course the pricing is great. Why? Because these houses or these apartments are coming fully loaded. आपको Italian marble मिलेगा in the living in the dining area. You will get wooden flooring, laminated wooden flooring in the room. उसके साथ ही साथ in the kitchen you will have everything, be it the microwave, the oven, dishwasher, refrigerator, chimney hob, everything. So VRV ACs भी हैं. That is why it has a justification towards the price. It has a great location. Good low density apartments, everything is there. There is nothing which is left. So if there is anything left, it's for you to call us and gather even more information about this project, this amazing project called Samsara Avasa. So call Gurgaon Yards so that we can help you out in your future investments.